Welcome to a new lecture of this playlist. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please subscribe this channel and access the playlist, as this channel is new and needs your support to grow. The link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we will learn languages required in the field of ethical hacking. So let's start the tutorial. Languages needed for ethical hacking. Ethical hackers need knowledge of programming, scripting, and query languages. Here are some key ones. 1. Python, highly recommended. Why? Python is easy to learn and widely used in cybersecurity. Applications: writing scripts, automating tasks, analyzing malware, and penetration testing. 2. C and C++. Why? These languages allow you to understand low-level operations of systems and create exploits. Applications: writing system-level code or understanding vulnerabilities in software. 3. JavaScript. Why? JavaScript is essential for understanding web application security. Applications: testing for vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, XSS. 4. SQL. Why? SQL knowledge is crucial for detecting and preventing database-related vulnerabilities. Applications: SQL injection attacks and database security testing. 5. HTML and CSS. Why? Understanding web development basics is vital to finding website vulnerabilities. Applications: recognizing security flaws in web applications. 6. Bash and PowerShell. Why? These scripting languages are used to automate tasks in Linux and Windows systems. Applications: penetration testing and system administration tasks. 7. Ruby and Perl. Why? These are sometimes used for older tools and custom scripts. Applications: exploiting vulnerabilities or automating tasks. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.